Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. So the bad boy is pumping finally, and we've made it up to 16,000 at the moment. The technical target for Luna Classic is up to 22,113. This is where you have your target right now. And since we might have the beginning of a bull run and a potential altcoin season coming up, it is actually time to expect more from Luna Classic, right? We have to expect more, and we should be seeing more from Luna Classic, right? You have pumped up, you've done a marvelous job, and you still have a technical target all the way up here. So I do believe that you have more push coming up, which is nearly 33%. Now that is not enough. I don't think 33% is enough, considering how the market is actually performing and the way other altcoins are moving up. So I do believe that we could be looking at some pushes here, break above, and try to go back to the all-time high, which was created back in, I think this was 11 September. So back in 11 September, you had these prices coming up to 60,000, and I think it's time you go to 60,000, break 60,000, and then continue and go to some new highs as well. But I'm just going to leave you with this, that it's simply a pattern that we had on the daily time frame, and the pattern here was a nice good falling wedge right there. You broke above, went out for the retest, passed the retest, and there it is. Okay, so you're looking for that move, and hopefully the upper part of the falling wedge is where your target really is. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.
Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains. And I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe Coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really, really important. Thank me later.